Hey, what's up everybody? Daniel here from NeverEnoughTech. Let's head to the kitchen to hear the latest about iPadOS 14 from Elliot.
Hey, buddy.
Well, thanks, Elliot. I can take it from here. Well, it's been a long WWDC day for sure. I decided to start my coverage with iPadOS 14 major changes. Let the important people cover iOS. Or iPhone OS. It didn't change. I want to do a series of snackable videos on iPadOS 14, starting with widgets. Widgets sound snacky. Let's jump right in. Right away, you can see the new widgets. Don't even try. These widgets, unlike iOS, stay in the Today view. But wait, good news, these widgets are draggable, so much less of a pain to reorder and delete. In Today view, there is a dedicated box where you can pin your favorite widgets. The only purpose of this box is that when you add a new widget, the new widget is added below the box, so your super fave widget will not be displaced. You add widgets by first going into Jiggle Mode.
Into Jiggle Mode?
The easiest way to jiggle is holding the time at the top of the Today view. Once in Jiggle Mode, a plus will appear on the top left. Select the plus button and browse. Notice only native Apple widgets are supported right now, so you will lose all of your third-party widgets until iPadOS 14 is officially released in the fall. We have 3 sizes to work with. A small square, which is new, being only half as wide as widgets have typically been, a rectangle, and a big square. Apple did not emphasize this, but it seems that widgets lost their expandability, so your widget will no longer be able to grow to some unknown height. This certainly makes sense for iOS widgets, as you do not want widgets expanding on the home screen. Apple is clearly not interested in different looking widgets between iDevices, so iPad widgets in a way are getting simplified. The most special widget is the Smart Stack, which combines 7 widgets into one. Supposedly, it'll show you what you need when you need it. It's a better boyfriend than I ever was. I have not really seen it work that way yet, but you are able to manually toggle between the Apple selected info. It's a little buggy. My widget conclusion. The widgets redesign were really meant for iOS. iPadOS had to change to not stick out. Even though widgets are talked up by Apple as a major iPadOS enhancement, I do not see the widget update on the iPad being a game changer in the slightest, as far as I can tell. Time may prove me wrong. That is my snacky widget story. Look for more videos coming soon. Please subscribe, ring that notification bell, comment and like if this video is your speed. My channel is small, but it's growing fast, tripling in size in the last 28 days. I really appreciate the support. That's it, gonna wrap this up. Catch you on the next one.